Hey Tesla owners, when is the time to replace your wipers? Well, let's do a little squeeze here, and well, if you watch the garage, you can see there's like streaks, and I don't think this is the best. You can see it now in the garage there, it's brown. So it's quite hard to film this, but there are streaks, and when there's a lot of water, there's water leftovers all over your windshield, you can't see clearly, then it's obviously time to do a replacement. So you go to your car, you go to service, and you go to wiper service mode there. So the wipers will be like that. Now these are the new wipers from Tesla I got. So sorry, the car is a little dirty. So it says made in Belgium, but these are actually Bosch wipers. Now I think these I've paid 65 euros. It's a bit pricey, but at least it doesn't say Bosch here. I don't want to advertise Bosch. So you can go a lot cheaper for this, of course, but if you don't want to advertise Bosch, you can get those. So I'm going to replace mine, and let's jump outside and show you how that happens, or how do you do that. So you obviously need two hands. When you put the wipers in the service position, you can go like this. So unfortunately they do not go the full up, and if they're not in the service position, they're going to be below this, so they're going to be hitting that. So you basically press in here, and then you extend this, pull it out. So I'll need two hands to do that. That's very easy step to replace it. So usually when you're changing wipers, there's one thing you need to watch out. If you let go, this is going to hit your windshield, might break it, especially if it goes full up. But Tesla added this washer nozzle, so the camera's focusing a little bit, actually struggling there. So this is plastic washer nozzle, so it protects you not to hit with a metal piece, so that's good. Putting the new wiper blade, it's pretty straightforward. You just push it in. So watch out, the wipers are now released. Actually, in the service mode, yeah, this is the where they stop, but you can just go like up and down. So yeah, just watch for that, but it's straightforward and quite easy to do job. Okay, this one was a bit tricky, so I thought of this, but actually when you go to the service mode, you can actually move the arms all the way, so they are, unlocked, so you can do this, so it's easier. But this is the maximum, so it doesn't go like this. So just put them back and go back to your car. Definitely wash your hands if you touch the washer fluid, because there's some chemicals inside. They're not aggressive, but still you should wash your hands. Go to the service menu and wiper service back. So let's just do a little sweep with the new blades. So actually they're squeaking. Well, it's better, but yeah, on the sides you still see a little like arrows there. We're gonna see when it starts raining. I don't see the difference, huge difference, but I know I'll notice a difference when it rains, because usually the rain just dries off faster with the new blades. With the old blades, it's always streaks here full of water, so it's not the best example. It's not raining, but after 2 years it's probably time to replace them. Well, it started finally raining, so we can test the new wipers. So that's quite nice. No streaks, no water residue, and whatever is left over just evaporates fast. Just like a small residue just evaporates. That's the closest description I can tell you. So it's pretty hard to focus here, but there you go, nice and clean. This is the performance of the new wiper blades. It's really good, silent, dries off fast after one sweep. The old ones, there were just too much water residue, so pretty satisfied with the new wipers.